Yo, which way it is, bro? I don't even know. Yeah, that should be it. So what is up? What is up? So it's, I don't know, probably exactly last December or January. I guess I was standing here with the same t-shirt on, with the long ass hair, and I was like talking about how I'm going to make it. And after that, there is a lot of changes, and this video is going to be only about my growth and the challenges that I faced and the the the, the levels that I've accomplished. So these are the things, right? So I was like having one 5K account when I was standing here the last time, and it was snowing. And after that, I have changed my whole trading thing from forex to GBP. I mean, from trading GBP USD to trading futures NQ and ES. To be honest, my change in the trading from futures forex to futures, it's like an escalator. I mean, it's a quick climb, I've been easily passing accounts, and yeah, still haven't got a payout yet, but yeah, I still do have around like 42 days to complete the challenge that I set myself, and I will be keep trying, and I still got the faith that I can still complete the challenge that I've put to myself. And yeah, a lot of things changed. I got much bigger and lean. To be honest, I've been reducing weight and also building muscle. So there is a lot of changes, bro. But still got this 42 days, and I've been talking to one of my new friend. I don't know exactly. I haven't seen her yet, but she also trades, and yes, she asked me a question, and that got me thinking. So she asked me. She's been trading for like 3 months, and I don't know anything about her yet. So yeah, she's been trading for 3 months, and she asked me one question: is it worth it? I mean, it is going to be, and even this one analogy, one mindset that I have is the one thing that's still keeping me in this game, even after losing, not seeing a single victory, and still keep going, knowing that I will make it one day. So it is what it is. Like, after 3 years now, still not profitable, still didn't actually get a payout, still didn't see any sort of win. And what's gonna happen if I actually give up? It's simple, nothing, right? But if I actually keep going, there is something that's waiting for me. Better than nothing always, right? So yeah, I just wanted to like have a quick talk to myself. I really appreciate you for not quitting. And yeah, future me, I know you'll be watching this laughing at me and feeling proud that the kid version of you, the younger version of you, didn't give up so that you were there. And yeah, all I gotta say is one thing, bro. Losing is temporary, and to win, all you gotta do is keep pushing forward. Believe in yourself, believe in God. More over anything, believe in yourself. And I'm out. Au revoir. A bientôt.